Moving on, big win for Donald Trump in the U.S. Supreme Court. As for the court's order, Trump will not be removed from the presidential ballot. The Supreme Court has overturned a previous decision by a top court in Colorado, which had barred Trump from the state's Republican primary ballot. Now, this decision was based on a constitutional provision related to insurrection in connection with the January 6th Capitol attack. In a 9-0 decision, the Supreme Court unanimously reversed the 19th December ruling by Colorado's top court, which had disqualified Trump from holding public office again. In a first, Section 3 of the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution was cited to disqualify a presidential hopeful. But in its order, the U.S. Supreme Court writes, and I'm quoting here, "We conclude the states may disqualify people holding or attempting to hold state office, but states have no power under the Constitution to enforce Section 3 with respect to federal offices, especially the presidency." In addition to being excluded from Colorado's ballot, Trump had also been barred from the ballots in Maine and Illinois based on the same 14th Amendment. And reacting to the news, Trump called the ruling a big win for America. Notably, Trump had appointed 3 of the current Supreme Court judges.
Well, thank you very much. I want to start by thanking the Supreme Court for its unanimous decision today. It was a very important decision. We're very well crafted, and I think it will go a long way toward bringing our country together, which our country needs. And they worked long, they worked hard, and frankly, they worked very quickly on something that will be spoken about 100 years from now and 200 years from now.
Trump is the front runner for the Republican nomination. His only remaining rival for his party's nomination is former South Carolina Governor Nikki Haley. The ruling comes a day before Super Tuesday, when most parties in the U.S. presidential primary cycle holds nominating contestants ahead of the elections in November in the United States of America.
I haven't heard about her in about a week. Has anybody know?